Akka, I'm scared of coronavirus.
Oh, really, Sanju? You don't have to be scared of the virus because there are some ways of making sure you don't get it.
Okay.
Okay, Sanju, let's go in.
Okay, Akka, let me get some snacks.
No, Sanju, wash your hands first.
Why? I want to eat.
You have to wash your hands because if you don't, you can get infected by tiny organisms called germs that make you very sick. The germs and bacteria hide at a place where it is hard to kill them, so we need to wash our hands more proper. Lather up using soap and water. Wash your hands palm to palm. Wash the backs of your hands. Wash interlocking your fingers. Wash your wrists as well. Wash your fingertips on the palm of the other hand. Wash your thumbs. Wash the backs of your fingers with the twisting motion. Rinse your hands. Dry your hands with a clean, dry towel. Use the towel to turn off the tap. When you don't have soap and water, you can use hand sanitizer.
Is this the only way to defeat the coronavirus?
No, Sanju, this isn't the only way to defeat the coronavirus. Avoid going in crowded places or functions. Avoid travel to the place where coronavirus is reported.
Oh, that's why our schools are closed.
If anyone gets sick, like cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, we have to wear a mask and contact a doctor immediately and follow advice given by your doctor. And the most important thing is to stay at home and don't spread the virus to others.
I got it, Akka.
Sanju, you don't have to get scared. All you have to do is maintain hygiene.
Thank you, Akka. Let's play some indoor games.